Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's look into the type of gastrointestinal motility. So gastrointestinal motility, and we are looking at its types. So the first one, it includes a spontaneous electrical activity. So there is spontaneous electrical activity. So spontaneous electrical activity is basically the basic electrical rhythm. It is a BR. BR stands for the basic electrical rhythm, and this is by the intestinal cells of the Kajal. Intestinal cells of Kajal. So the spontaneous electrical activity, this is the BR and the basic electrical rhythm, and this is by the intestinal cells of the Kajal. Next is the mechanical activity. It is again two states. Two states is there is a fed state as well as the fasting state. So what happens in case of the fasting state? So here in fasting state, there is a migration of the motor complex. So migratory motor complex. So there is migratory motor complex. So in fasting state, what does this do? This clears the stomach and the small intestine of the luminal contents in preparation for the next meal. So it does the preparation for the next meal. Then comes the fed state. What happens in the fed state? There is a peristalsis as well as the segmentation and the mixing. So segmentation and mixing is present. So segmentation, it means that there is a retardment of the movement of the intestinal contents. So retards the movement of intestinal contents and to provide for time for the digestion and absorption. So it gives a time, that is retards the movement of the intestinal contents. Next is the movement of the peristalsis. So here in peristalsis, it propels the luminal contents. So it propels the luminal contents to the oral and the caudal direction. So it propels the luminal contents to the oral to the caudal direction. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.